Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson you are going to make the card screen. So I'm going to duplicate this, bring a copy over here. This is for our reference to make something similar. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate the favorite screen. We are going to create our card screen from this one. So I'm going to remove everything that we don't need. First I will remove this one, this background, and then I will go to the pen tool and we are going to create this part of the background, something like this. Close it like this and disable the borders, enable the fill, make it black. Now I will just go ahead and play with these points. I will adjust the look of this shape. Okay, like this is good. Now I'll go to the text and write my card over here. I'm using the Robic font and medium size. We'll make it bigger like this and move it over here. Okay, I'm going to right click on this one, lock it, and then we will come to these shoe cards. I'm going to right click on it and ungroup them, and then we will leave only 3. I will make them smaller like this. But actually I will undo it. I will select all of them and make all of them together small so they all have the same size, and then I will remove one of them, remove this one and adjust the others in the left side like this. With the alignment tools I will make sure that they are lined and the space between them is the same. To be more sure about that, I'm going to bring one of the guidelines over here and make sure that all of them are aligned to the line, just like this. Okay, I will select all of them again and make sure that the space between them is the same. I will click on this one, then we will go to the bottom. I'll bring it down and change it to checkout. And make sure it's in the middle. Then you're going to bring this color under the card because we are on the card screen. Then we need this text. I'm going to duplicate this text and we are going to write clear the card and we are going to make it smaller, just like this. Make sure it's in the middle. The last thing we are going to do is these numbers. I'm going to get it from this screen. We have already created one, so I'm going to just copy this one, Control C, and then come to this artboard and Control V. Now we have it here. I will make it bigger like this. Let's make it a bit smaller. Then I will double click on it until I select this background, disable the blur for it, for this one as well, disable the blur and make sure that the minus and the plus are in the middle. Then I will change the number for this one to 3. Then click on the whole group, duplicate it, move it over here, click on it and change this number to 2. Let's change this as well. We'll make this one 1. Okay, just like this we finished our card screen. One last thing, this background is above the status bar. I will unlock it, press on the command with the square brackets on the left to send it back. So just like this, we have the status bar above it. I will click on it, unlock it again, or lock it actually, and that's it. We've created the card screen. I'm going to remove this and move this to the side, rename it to my card. Okay guys, I will see you in the next lesson and we will be creating the search screen. See you there.